This week on Mom's Cookbook Collection, we're going to be revisiting one of Grandma's cookbooks. This is from 1930, My Pet Recipes. And no, this is not about making pet food, and nor is this about cooking your pets. This was the Depression, they weren't that desperate. No, this is from the Pet Milk Company, the PET Evaporated Milk Company. And a collection of recipes using evaporated milk and shortening and other easily accessible ingredients during the Depression. But today, we're going to be making chicken a la king. Ingredients: 1/4 pound of mushroom sliced. I'm going to be leaving that out because I could not find it at Walmart. 1/2 green pepper shredded. I will be using a whole green pepper to make up for the mushrooms, and because I don't want to waste 1/2 of a green pepper. 3 tablespoons of shortening. I'm going to be replacing that with 3 tablespoons of butter. 6 tablespoons of flour. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 cups of pet milk diluted with 2 cups of chicken broth. 3 cups of cold diced chicken. 1/2 pimento shredded. I'll be leaving that out. I can never find it whenever I look for it. And 2 tablespoons of sherry flavoring. Cook the mushrooms and the green pepper in the shortening for 6 minutes. Add the flour combined with the pepper and salt. Blend this mixture with the shortening as for white sauce. Stir constantly while adding diluted milk. Cook over flame for 3 minutes. Place in a double boiler and cook for 20 minutes. Add the diced chicken, the pimento, and the sherry flavoring. Now I don't have a double boiler, so I'm going to be using a crock pot. During the cooking, I added about a tablespoon of cornstarch just to thicken it up a bit, and it's really good. Also, I put the rice into the crock pot, and just to stiffen up. It's very good. It's like a gumbo. It tastes great. That is definitely chicken a la king. The cookbook, it's probably my grandmother's, written in 1930. It's called My Pet Recipes. These are recipes collected from the Pet Evaporated Milk Company. And changed out a few ingredients, and I have to say that this recipe was a winner.